Okay. So far, that's been pretty fucking annoying. One of the reasons I really appreciate riding with the jacket is all the different pockets you have access to. You know, you can leave the house, pop your keys in your jacket pocket, etc. Without a fucking jacket when you're out in your sleeveless on your way to the gym. It is a total cock-up. You have to have your bag, you can't put them in your pockets because they'll fall out of your fucking pockets, you know? I have to put the bag in the petrol tank and ride like that with it for a bit. Run the cables through the bag because ordinarily the recorder would be in the bag. But now the recorder has to be in the bag. It's fucking annoying. But anyways, I thought I'd record this ride. Since I have unified my sports page, I hope that it works, because I mean, technically speaking, I'm supposed to be riding with this helmet in a different configuration to allow for the wind noise, because the goggles are a bit windy. But at any rate, what I'm doing is riding to the gym, and I'm going to try and be a sneaky little bastard and keep the recorder off, because it's been a while since I've posted up any sort of gym videos. Anyway, I used to do those quite religiously, but I got a little bit lazy with it. But now I feel the need to do one, so I figured the easiest way to do it is to just join the riding videos with the gym videos. Otherwise, I mean, I'll get a lot more joy out of riding than I do gym. For me, the whole gym aspect and bodybuilding is more therapeutic than anything. I absolutely enjoy it, but it really fits in a different silo, you know? And the vlogging on the biking side is taking up a lot of my time. Not to say that I'm reneging on my responsibilities to post stuff on Muscle Junkie, but I think it's very convenient to have the opportunity to join them together, and this is what we're going to try to do today. So we're going to ride to the gym, and we're going to try sneak in some recording time. Hopefully the gym staff don't have a baby. Generally they're pretty cool. Only certain gyms are like super anal about it, and this is not one of them. But I did once face an MOD whose rectum you couldn't pull a needle out of with a tractor. He has, however, warmed up to my ways and my charm, and hopefully today is one of those days. Otherwise, yes. I don't know how you feel about it. Personally, looking at the videos, and when you can see both my hands from this angle through, gives a very honest account of the ride. Well, some people have complained that they don't like it, you know, because apparently it restricts a lot of the view of the road when I'm wheeling. But to me, when I watch a video and it's in this configuration, I honestly feel as though I'm riding the bike along with a person, you know. I mean, despite the fact that I'm a vlogger, I still get a lot of satisfaction out of watching other people's vlogs, you know. Well, you get good tips and stuff, but I mean, I love the content. I love everything about biking, wheelies, the hooliganisms, and seeing different cities that I might not ever get to visit, and seeing how their traffic conditions are and how anal and angry people get with bikers. So yeah, we're riding in this configuration. I know Dean does not like it, so he will probably be quick to write a scathing comment on one of my pages, otherwise, or Facebook or Instagram or somewhere. But I appreciate it, Dean. I see you and appreciate you. To quote Mr. Robert Walker. The south of Johannesburg. So nice. So tranquil. Most days. the height on these wheelies, but it's still too fast. I need to slow them right down. My God, I'm already at like nearly 11 o'clock. So the only way I'm going to get to slow these wheelies down is to get higher. But I'm also going to have to start working the brake, which is not the easiest proposition. Yeah. Fucking strange looking motherfuckers in that car. That is not a pretty family. Gonna make some ugly babies. Now, pour la pièce de résistance, est-ce qu'ils vont me laisser entrer? Good afternoon. Are you? What are you doing? Don't expect me to fucking run between sets. I'm trying to conserve my energy and in fact recover, even though it's a superset. God. I didn't expect that to hurt so much. Fuck me. Back away your waist, people. That's the least you can fucking do. Oh, Francis in his fucking phone all the time. Texting. Right.